And guys, look, hindi po siya nag-transfer. So, it means successful po ang ating technique na ginawa today. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Hello guys! Welcome back and welcome to my channel. Before we jump into ating topic ngayon, I'd like to say thank you sa nag-request po sa atin ng topic natin for today, which is tadaan! Si Miss Wonder Woman. Thank you sa iyong request. Comment sa ating last video na which is the no foundation makeup tutorial. Nag-request siya for a sweat-proof and transfer-free makeup tutorial para sa ating new normal na lagi tayong naka-mask. So, I made this tutorial for the request, guys. And I hope na magustuhan nyo to. Magamit nyo rin tong technique na to for your daily basis. And one more thing po pala, I'd like to say big thanks to Miss Empress A for making me this so gorgeous cake because, guys, it's my birthday today. Kaya thank you so much, Miss Empress, sa pa-cake mo. She is located at Ayala, Alabang Village in Philippines. If you guys searching for a customized cake na so very pretty, maganda na, masarap pa, you may contact her dito sa calling card niya. Ang shop name niya po is Cakes and Cupcakes by Empress A. So, kung naghahanap kayo guys, alam niyo na kung saan. Maraming thank you, Miss Empress A, sa iyong malagordosang pa-cake. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kahit wala po ako dun sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. So, if you're interested kung paano ko nagawa yung transfer-free makeup, just keep on watching. So, I already done my eyes because I'd like to focus on our face tutorial today. That's why I already skipped the eye part. So, I'm gonna start by preparing my skin and I'm going to use COSRX Centella water alcohol-free toner as my toner. As possible, I tend to use an alcohol-free base products because it helps my skin not to get irritated, and I like it because they are so gentle on my skin. Another product from COSRX, which is Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence for my essence. Why I like this essence is because, oh, it's shaking. Oh my god. Okay. Why I like this essence is because aside from it absorb to my skin real quick, this gives my skin a natural glow because it provides intense hydration. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. Then for my next skincare product would be my gentle cream from Avon, and I also love this one because it really hydrates and soothes my skin, especially this summer na talagang I tend to get rid of my sticky feeling product. And for the last step of our skin preparation would be no other than our sun shield, and this is also from COSRX. This is Shield Fit Snail Essence Sun SPF 50, and why I like this one is because it gives my skin a natural glow as well, siguro because of those snail itch chain. So after those skin preparation, for me, I always like to use primer before putting on any makeups on my skin. Not only to prime it, but also to protect my skin from the products that I'm going to put on top of it. Kaya gusto ko pong naglalagay ng primer. And this is from Laura Mercier, the foundation primer, oil-free. Today, we're not going to use any products na may oil para ma-achieve natin yung gusto natin gawing look for today, to stay away from those silicone-based primer. Kasi silicone-based products tends to move. Baka kapag yun ang nilagay natin, mag-transfer siya sa, alam yun na, sa mask na which yun nga yung itatry natin hindi mangyari. So our technique would be from here after the primer. So for this look, we really need to have a long-lasting steady spray. For that, I'm using this Urban Decay All-Nighter because a holy grail to any spray that I've used. Ito talaga yung the best one for me. Give it a time to dry. And now I'm going to grab a powder. This is from Laura Mercier. Pero kahit anong powder na meron kayo, you just have to set it muna. So, mag-dump tayo ng light powder on top. Especially dun sa area where nako-cover ng mask. Then after that, we will be needing to spray again for the second time. And for this second time, make sure that it is really wet. Then let it dry again. Then for those of you na you don't feel like putting any foundations on, just skip this part or just watch my other video, which is the no foundation makeup tutorial. You may also like that one. For the sake of the request, we're going to put a foundation, but this is for my personal view or opinion. I don't like to use liquid foundation for this look. Mas prefer ko talaga yung mga creamy type like this. And for this look, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. Hindi ko alam guys, pero ang feeling ko kasi pag gagamit ako ng liquid foundation, kailanganin natin ng more powder. And pag gumamit tayo ng more powder para iset yung liquid foundation na nilagay natin, feeling ko baka lalo siya mag-cakey. Baka lalo siya mag-transfer. Kaya gusto ko yung mga sticky type na ganito kasi na-absorb talaga siya ng skin natin and hindi siya sticky feeling. So I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and start to blend it. So I already blended it and I forgot to tell you guys, before you do any of these steps that I've said, make sure that your lips is also hydrated as well. I forgot to do my part. Because at the end of this video, our lips would be a little bit drier than usual. So I suggest that you hydrate your lips as well. I'm using this Laneige. This is actually a lip sleeping mask, but I don't care. I don't care because we're going to wipe it later anyway. I already blended my foundation, so the next step would be my contour cream. If you guys don't feel like doing contouring or highlighting, skip this step. For those who still using this kind of makeup even when they're using a mask, then keep on watching. For the contour, I won't be contouring my jawline because tago naman siya sa mask. And for the next step would be our concealer. This is from Eat Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is so creamy, guys. Why I use this creamy type? Kasi we're going to bake for this look, just for our under eye area. Dito, hindi, kasi matatakpan naman siya ng mask. And yung makikita sa atin lang is yung under eye area. So, I make sure na hindi tayo magki-crease dito. Kasi ito lang yung pwede nating ma-showcase sa mga tao. Kaya, for this look, magbe-bake tayo. Kaya ako gumamit ng creamy consistency concealer. And I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and blend it. And now that it's all blended, we're gonna get our powder, our translucent powder, and bake it. We're gonna bake the under eye area, this jawline area, and a little damp on your forehead. Then while making and waiting for it, I'm gonna grab my contour powder to also set my contour cream under. And after contouring, I'm gonna get our brush and dust off the translucent powder that we bake. And spread it sa mga area na hindi nyo nalagyan ng powder kanina. Then after that, I'm going to put blush on my cheeks. This is from Anastasia, the Blush Kit palette. And I'm just going to grab this orange tone. For the youthful look. Dun sa mga gusto pang maglagay ng highlighter, be careful na hindi siya bababa hanggang dito. As in dito lang sa may cheekbones area nyo. And for those people na ayaw naman mag-highlighter, then okay na rin. You may skip this part. But then again, for the sake of this video, I'm going to put highlighter para sa mga gustong full glam kahit nakamask. I'm gonna wet my highlighter brush ng ating spray and get my highlighter. This is from Anastasia. And I'm just gonna put a little amount on my cheekbone area. Then we're gonna use the spray again. Then I'm going to remove this product we put on our lips. I think our lips is very well hydrated now. So for today's look, I'm gonna be using a lip tint, not a lipstick, just to try to not transfer it sa ating mga mask. Kaya nga, after applying to our lips, I'd like to use a tissue to remove the extras, the residue, para ma-pot dry siya sa ating mga lips. So, ito lang yung natira dun sa nilagay natin kanina. Then, I'm going to put another on top, which is the darker color like this. Para naman sa gitna. Like that. Then I'm gonna use my finger to spread it. Kung may brush kayo, do it. I also have a brush, but I like this method better. Though it's kind of gross. Oh, no! Sa mga viewers, I'm sorry. I get a tissue again and remove the residue. So as you can see, it's a little bit dry, but hindi siya patchy because our lips is well prepared sa ginamit nating lip balm kanina. I'm gonna put tissue over or on top of your lips and grab some brush and powder and you just dab it here. Okay? So I got this new clean tissue and show you the result. See? It didn't transfer at all. Although, manipis lang yung pagkakalagay natin, but at least hindi tayo maputla. And I think for my opinion, itong new normal natin, hindi na natin kakailanganin ng talagang naka-lipstick tayo kasi hindi rin naman talaga nakikita kapag naka-mask, diba? So, maganda lang yung medyo hindi tayo maputla. Natural lang yung color ng lips natin. And what's important is, hindi nag-transfer, hindi naghuhulas, or pag tinanggal natin yung mask, hindi messy or hindi madumi yung mask natin. So, and that's what this tutorial is all about. So, we're done with our look, guys. So, now we're gonna test our technique and I'm going to use this mask. This is made from cotton and black yung ilalim niya. So, let's see pag tinanggal natin itong mask, kung mag-transfer ba siya sa ating mask. Dun, dun. And guys, look, hindi po siya nag-transfer. So, it means successful po ang ating technique na ginawa today. Kahit na ganyan-ganyan po natin siya. Wala pong transfer. Okay, let's grab some tissue. So, ito po ang tissue. See, guys? See, guys? Wala pong transfer. So, that's it, guys. I hope you like the trick and magamit niyo po siya on your daily basis. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po itong tutorial natin today, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe as well if you still haven't yet subscribed. And I promise that I'll keep on giving you a very worth watching videos. Kung meron man po kayong request, just comment down below and I'll try to read them one by one. And sa mga skincare na nagamit ko kanina, if you're interested, I'll put the link below kung saan po siyang pwedeng mabili. So, if you're going to use my reward code, #333, sa checkout section, na reward code doon na nakalagay, just put my discount code and you'll get 5 to 10% discount sa inyong mga purchases. I'm gonna put the details down below, so please check it out. Just yesterday, we just hit 500 subscribers, and thank you so much for supporting and keep on watching on my videos, guys. See you next week!